lost?
About no wind. Hey, it's not windy down
Yeah, somebody lied. This is terrible.
I have to bring that shit up.
Man. I hope it stops. It's supposed to stop tomorrow, I think.
Yeah, it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow.
I hope so.
Yeah, this feels like November up here.
This is warm where we came from.
Where'd you guys come from?
Colorado.
Oh, shit.
We left Tuesday morning and we came 50 across from Colorado Springs. And it was a piece of cake. It was nice, dry roads and everything, but they came up yesterday and came across 70 and it was nothing but ice.
And we come up from Phoenix and we hit snow and Flag. And then we got out of Flag and we're right in the middle of, you know, the clear spot. But
We had real high wind, but that was it.
It got colder than hell. Yeah, my wife called me, said it's like 78 degrees at home, and I'm up here freezing my ass off. That's right, I'm not working, I don't care.
I could roll over here and it'd be better than work.
I have.
I almost have. But I was driving a short Wrangler.
Yeah. I went off Suicide Hill in May. Slow her down, John. He's not used to that big power, Stanley.
He probably can't see you in a minute.
He's good.
Really not caring. I don't know. I see a buggy. I seen a buggy get shitty here. I really, yeah, just it flex out.
Right there is where it usually gets shitty.
Yep.
You are the movie star, Johnson.